When it comes to contemporary architectural style, the small home family house is becoming more and more common in large cities due to the population growth and lack of space. Although interior designers and decorators seek to compensate for the lack of living space with the quality of their design, many times you cannot find the right solution for your small home interior. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host today. Welcome to an amazing new uploaded video, which is the 16th part of the video series House Tours. Here you will discover 80 beautiful creative designing ideas for small home interiors, from entrance hallways and living rooms to kitchens, bathrooms and bedrooms. You will also see that the scarcity of square feet, it is not a disadvantage. Very attractive, modern and elegant solutions can be found, and our image selection prove that. So watch the video and try to find the right solution for your own living space. We greatly appreciate if you give us a like, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Grig Stamate Interior Design Solution. In today's video, you will discover tips and ideas to furnish and decorate the interior of a modern small house. After all, the key to achieving a successful home interior decor is to be guided through the best interior designer creations. And we are trying to do that. We want to help you. For that reason, we have selected here one of the best home interior design ideas for small home interiors. In our selection of beautiful home interiors, you will see that one of the constants are the open spaces in which several living areas coexist with each other, such as living and dining room, kitchen and dining room, or all three. An open space has many advantages. One of them is the feeling of a larger space. This is due to the lack of dividing walls. I said many times in our videos, when you are dealing with a small living space, the smart thing is to think of furniture that fulfill several functions, such as sofa bed, coffee table with storage, and so on. In this way, you can save precious space. More than that, the ideal furniture for small home interior is modular. Why? Because this type of furniture can be arranged and placed according to your needs. It is functional and practical. However, if you want even a more efficient living space, opt for custom furniture pieces that perfectly fit the dimension and the layout of the space. When it comes to home decoration, you should avoid a too complicated or ornate decoration. In other words, do not overdo. Use the vertical space as much as possible. The wall-mounted shelves are widely used elements in small home interior design. They occupy the walls, which allow free movement. Shelves can be placed in all rooms, living rooms, bathrooms, dining room, kitchens, home offices, hallways, etc. They can have an aesthetic role, displaying pictures, small decorative objects, or a practical role as an extra storage space. So, when it comes to a modern and stylish home interior decor, size should not be an obstacle. You can see in our video some of the most innovative design ideas created by the interior designer and decorator that have tried and succeed in their struggle to solve the problem of small living spaces. Apart from furniture and decoration, there are several other factors that you need to take in consideration when you are dealing with a small home interior, such as lighting and color palette. You need plenty of light, especially natural light, and a light color palette that will give the illusion of a bigger space. Let's start our presentation with this small living room in green and brown hues color palette and gorgeous hardwood flooring. Large floor-to-ceiling windows allowed plenty of natural light to get inside, of course, when it isn't raining outside. Modern and small home interior, beautiful wooden and glass stairway connects the levels, floor to ceiling windows and light color wood flooring throughout. A charming wood burning stove bring a warm and inviting atmosphere to this modern design. The small living room of a modern family home. The same wood burning stove and light color hardwood floor. You can observe here that the light color palette and large windows make the home interior look larger. Here you can see an amazing living and dining area, a perfect design for a small home interior. The lack of too many dividing walls is a smart idea for a limited space. We have seen small living rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows, light color, hardwood floor, and wood-burning stove. What do you think now about a dining room in the same design idea? Let's see now a quite different living room. You can see again the same floor to ceiling windows and the light color wood flooring, but the color of palette is different, bolder and brighter. The result, a lovely home interior. The upper level of a small family home. Here you can see a L-shaped open space that brings together the kitchen dining area and the living room. Superb idea for a multifunctional living space, living room and home office. Simple, modern and beautiful design. Brand new small home with a beautiful open space in white and green sage color combination. Adorable choice of furniture, light fixture and decorative elements. amazing small home interior with a unique look. The modern wood-burning stove is the focal center of the open space. Beautiful combination of color and textures. Indeed, a great design idea. Fabulous design idea for a compact master bedroom. So comfy, warm and inviting look. As I already mentioned in our previous videos, colors help interior designer to create different visual effects. One of them is the depth, which is perfect for a small living space. One of the most used colors to achieve this effect is neutral gray in different shades. Let's finish our presentation with this modern and compact corner open space in white and blue. Bright and airy design with a pronounced Scandinavian style touch. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video and you have found here inspiration for your small home interior. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.